You are what you eat. We've all heard this saying, but how often do we really think about it? The food we consume every day is not just a source of energy, it's a direct line to better or worse health. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible superfoods that are packed with immune-boosting power and are waiting for us right in our kitchens. You won't believe the amazing benefits they hold. So let's get started. Let me ask you a question. Sounds strange, right? Well, let me introduce you to the surprising health benefits of this simple pantry staple. Picture this. You're restarting your day feeling sluggish and unmotivated, when suddenly a few teaspoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in your breakfast drink work their magic. Apple cider vinegar is a drink that's been used for centuries and is known for its tangy flavor and numerous health benefits. The trillions of bacteria that make their home in your gut play a crucial role in your overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immunity. Yes, this fizzy drink can actually lift your spirits. Studies have shown that a healthy gut microbiome can influence your mood and emotions. Kombucha, with its probiotic richness, helps support a positive mood and a sense of well-being. It's like having a natural mood elevator, taking you from feeling blah to feeling fantastic in no time. So the next time you're in the mood for a refreshing drink that also supports your gut health, reach for some kombucha. With its tangy flavor and bubbly fizz, it's a delicious way to keep your gut happy and your body in balance. Give it a try and experience the amazing benefits it has to offer. Kombucha helps nourish these friendly bacteria, creating a balanced ecosystem in your gut that aids in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and keeping your digestive system in tip-top shape. But that's not all. The probiotics in kombucha also support a strong immune system. In fact, a whopping 70% of your immune cells are located in your gut. By keeping your gut healthy, kombucha helps boost your body's natural defense mechanisms, making you less susceptible to common illnesses and infections. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system, always on duty to keep you healthy and strong. One of its key components is acetic acid, which gives it that characteristic sour taste and provides a plethora of health benefits. When consumed regularly, apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today and unlock a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health. If you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to like and share for more informative videos. Stay healthy and happy. It does this by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling fatigued. What if I told you there's a simple change you could make in your daily routine that would not only boost your energy levels, but also strengthen your body's defense against illnesses? It's like having a personal trainer in your kitchen, helping you make healthier food choices and portion control without even realizing it. Imagine sipping on a fizzy, slightly sour beverage that not only quenches your thirst, but also works wonders for your digestive system. That's right. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that's loaded with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. When consumed regularly, it can help improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is a drink that can help balance the pH level of your body, which is essential for optimal health. It helps neutralize excess acidity in the body, reducing the risk of acid reflux and other digestive issues. It's like a natural detoxifier, keeping your body in balance and running smoothly. So next time you're looking to boost your energy levels and support your weight management goals, consider adding apple cider vinegar to your morning routine. You can mix it with water or lemon juice for a refreshing drink that will keep you feeling revitalized and focused throughout the day. Give it a try and experience the amazing benefits it has to offer. Your productivity is slipping, and so is your immune system. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to issues like joint pain and mobility problems. By incorporating bone broth into your daily diet, it can help replenish your body's collagen stores and maintain strong, flexible bones and joints. It's nature's way of keeping your body supported and moving with ease. But that's not all. Bone broth also contains a unique compound called glycine, which has been shown to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Glycine helps improve skin elasticity and hydration, giving you a youthful and radiant complexion. It also strengthens your hair and nails, making them less prone to breakage and more resilient. So next time you're looking to boost your health and vitality, reach for some bone broth. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, it's a versatile ingredient that can be easily added to soups, stews, or enjoyed on its own. Give it a try and experience the amazing benefits it has to offer. What if I told you there was a quick fix that could turn things around? Introducing our first superfood, bone broth. This humble ingredient is a powerhouse of nutrition and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine to work wonders for your health. Bone broth is more than just a tasty addition to your soup. It's a complex blend of amino acids, minerals, and other nutrients that play a crucial role in supporting your overall well-being. One of its key components is glutamine, which is essential for maintaining the health of your gut. When consumed regularly, bone broth can help repair and strengthen the gut lining, allowing it to function as a barrier against harmful substances and pathogens. This, in turn, enhances your body's natural detoxification process, keeping you healthier and more resilient. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But I'm here to tell you, it's a reality. And the secret lies in the everyday foods we often overlook. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk feeling drained and demotivated. In addition to its gut health benefits, bone broth is also rich in collagen, a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and healthy joints. Have you ever thought about adding a splash of apple cider vinegar to your morning routine? But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar also supports healthy weight management by increasing feelings of fullness, which can lead to reduced calorie intake and fat storage. There's a reason why kombucha is gaining popularity by the day. It's not just a trendy drink, it's a powerhouse of gut health benefits. One of the key benefits of kombucha is its ability to promote a healthy gut microbiome. And let's not forget about the mood-boosting benefits of kombucha. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. So why wait? The effects of some non-alcoholic drinks can be compared to those of alcoholic ones. For example, both a glass of wine and cranberry juice can help boost your immune system. It's up to you to choose which option suits you best. But today, we want to focus on a drink that has no comparison when it comes to its beneficial effect on our bodies. Today, you'll find out what kind of beverage can increase the telomeres activity of your cells. You will also learn how to prepare it at home and how much of this drink you should consume to significantly improve your health. Let's dive in. Gingerol helps to soothe nausea, reduce muscle soreness after exercise, and lower blood sugar levels. One study found that taking ginger supplements could improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, but they can also be combined with other superfoods. One such superfood is cinnamon. This aromatic spice contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Now you can pour the resulting mixture into a glass and enjoy the amazing taste and benefits of this drink. Both recipes are equally healthy and beneficial for your body, so feel free to choose the one that suits your taste preferences. However, if you don't have all these ingredients at hand, you can make another version of the drink. Take 1 cup of water, half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of berries, 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. If you're interested in exploring more options, stay tuned for future videos where we'll reveal the secrets of various natural remedies and healthy drinks. Let us know how it helped you and what benefits you noticed. Did you know that certain types of tea can also help you lose weight? For example, black tea is rich in theaflavins and theorubigens, compounds that have been shown to promote weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing fat absorption. Oolong tea contains polyphenols such as catechins and flavonoids, which can aid in weight loss by increasing fat oxidation and reducing calorie intake. White tea has a high concentration of polyphenols called epigalloctecin, gallate, EGCG for short, which can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. Also, feel free to ask questions or share any other healthy recipes you'd like us to cover in our next videos. But remember, while tea can complement a healthy diet and lifestyle, it's not a magic bullet. You must still maintain a balanced diet and engage in regular physical activity to achieve your weight loss goals. We value your feedback and are always eager to hear from you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel and stay informed about our new releases. Cinnamaldehyde is also responsible for giving cinnamon its distinct flavor and smell. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. According to experts, the key to extending your life lies in moderation. Drinking this drink once a day will be enough to boost your immunity and improve your general well-being. Just like any other thing in life, too much of this drink can lead to adverse effects. Drinking more than 1 glass a day may cause diarrhea or stomach pain due to the high concentration of green tea and ginger. Additionally, excessive consumption of turmeric can lead to kidney problems, so it's important not to overdo it. Another study showed that ginger powder could lower total cholesterol and LDL levels. Combining green tea, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and other superfoods, this drink offers a wide range of health benefits from boosting immunity to reducing inflammation and even fighting cancer. Feel free to choose either of the 2 recipes we shared and start enjoying the benefits of this amazing drink right now. Just don't forget about moderation. 1 glass a day is enough to keep you healthy and full of vigor. And these are just a few of the many studies that highlight the amazing benefits of ginger. A study published in Nature Medicine showed that the longer a person lived, the more diverse their gut bacteria were. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, leading to improved heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. What's more, curcumin can even help fight cancer cells and prevent their growth. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that curcumin inhibited the growth of prostate cancer cells. Another study demonstrated that curcumin could suppress the development of breast cancer. The answer lies in the ingredients of the drink we're going to discuss today. To begin with, let's talk about green tea. First, get a blender. Then add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 1 cinnamon stick, and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin by 2000. That's why it is an essential component of our recipe. One of the main components of this popular beverage is epigallocatechin EGCG for short. A study published in the journal Aging Cell showed that this compound had anti-aging effects. According to the results of this study, EGCG prevents age-related cellular damage. It also reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. Not bad for a simple, low-calorie drink. The researchers concluded that there was a relationship between long life and increased microbial diversity in the gut microbiome. Green tea is also known for containing polyphenols. Polyphenols are substances with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. They have been shown to protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. What's more, green tea contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that improves mental alertness and physical performance. In other words, the greater the variety of bacteria in our gut, the longer we tend to live. Have you heard of the connection between gut health and longevity? Well, there is one. Our microbes play a crucial role in promoting longevity. But how does a non-alcoholic beverage fit into all this? But that's not all. Next ingredient is ginger. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. It gives ginger its health benefits, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Now let's talk about turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. As you can see, turmeric and ginger are 2 powerful ingredients that can make up a great addition to any non-alcoholic drink. Now let us move on to the preparation of the drink that combines all the benefits we've discussed today. After adding all the ingredients to the blender, mix them thoroughly. Put everything in a blender, blend until smooth, and pour into a glass. Now let's discuss how often you should drink this beverage to extend your life. In conclusion, the non-alcoholic beverage we've discussed today is a real elixir of life. There are many other beverages that can improve our health. If you've already tried this drink, please share your experience in the comments below. And here's a little bonus for those who made it to the end of the video. So if you're on a weight loss journey, consider incorporating these teas into your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.